Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the WordPress. So today we are going to learn how to create the custom post into your WordPress. Okay, so the what we are covering, that is how to create a custom post, then how to create a category, okay, or you can say that this is called taxonomy, okay, and how to call this custom post and how to call the with pagination, okay. So and how to add the custom post custom fields also, like materials. Here you can see that if I go to the add new material, and here we have the custom fields. So how we are going to create the custom field and just see the data. So we are going to learn all this in the coming series. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please to subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please to like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. So first we are going to discuss about how to create the custom post into your WordPress. So let's dive into the code level. So here we have the custom post. So here you have to create a function, whatever name of the function. So here we have to find the labels array. So first is gonna be name, the name that is showing over here, whether it's to be a material, whether it's to be a post, whether it's to be anything. Okay, if I go and just add the stores over here, okay, and save this and upload this one, okay, and I'm going to reload this. Okay, so you can see that this name is going to be changed stores. Okay, so you can, if you want to change the menu name, so you can change it from the name icon. Okay, so here we go with this one. Now we have a singular name. Okay, then here you can see that we have a singular name, that is, if I go to the stores, here we have a single, let me reload this one again, upload, and this one. So here we can see that the when we have the material item, okay, singular name. Okay, so add new item. If I go and just here, you can say add new material item. So this is material item. Add new. That is if you want to add this one, this is add new item. So you can change it accordingly. Add new item. Add new item material. So you can see that it is add new material item name. Okay. Then edit, on the edit part, what you have to add in new item, what you have to add view, search, not found, and the not found in trash. So these are the keys that you have to add, and according to it you can just name it accordingly. Okay, so these are the params that you need to add, that is name singular, add new item, edit item, then we have a new, then view, then search, not found, and not found in trash. Okay, after this we have arguments. Okay, in the arguments we have to pass all the labels which we have created. Then it's public, show UI, yes, true. Okay, whether you want to add the icons, so you can add the icon over here. Rest in the next video we will showcase the icons where we have to get in. Okay, then we have a sports, whether you want to title, editor, or what. If I go and just delete this one and just add in this one title, and here I need to just separate this one title, but it's missing. Okay, there is thing, right, and we have to just remove this one. I want this title. Okay, save this and upload. And if I go and just load, you can see that just we have a title, rest of the things are disabled. So whatever you want to add, just you have to mention it over here, whether it's to be a title, editor, excerpt, thumbnail, comments, author, custom fields, revisions. So you need to just add it over here. Okay, I'm just going to upload it. Okay, so it's coming from this one, right? So make sure if you want the title, editor, excerpt and thumbnail, you need to mention this one in the array. Okay, then we have a capability type, whether it's to be a post, hierarchical, that should be false, rewrite, slug, we have mentioned that is material. If I go and just add it over here, you can see that we have the slug type is material post type. Okay, and we have a many position, whether you want to, whether it's to be a fourth position, sixth position, ninth position, you can paste it and just try to upload, and you can see that here currently its position is this one. If I go and reload, okay, so currently the there are not multiple posts over here, so you can shift the positions accordingly. So this is menu positions. Okay, which position you have, and has archive is basically for the archive page, right, whether you want to show the categories and all. So the last step to register it, that is register underscore post underscore type material and all the arguments. and add action hook for the adding the action in it, material in it. Okay, so if I just add this code, you will get this one, this materials and add material, not a theme store. These two fields with the particular data you will get it on. So I can add it over here, I can add anything over here now and publish it, and all the materials will come over here. You can see that, and you can add the new material with the next one, and you can also publish this. Okay, and you can see the listing of that one. Okay, so this is basically, you can see that we can create a custom post like this. This is custom post, and in the next one we are going to learn also how to get all this custom post what we have created, right? Okay, so this is how we are going to create the custom post in the WordPress. Any doubt, any query in that, just let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.